Hi everyone, good day, especially to our professor, Dr. Nikitea Albedoya. I'm Khere COMBATE from BEd 2A. I'm here to share my understanding of chapters we have been tackled 1 to 6 in our course, which is Science, Technology, and Society. These chapters help me realize that science isn't just about invention or formulas. It's about people, progress, and how we live meaningful lives together. Let's begin to chapter 1, of course. Historical antecedents in the course of science and technology. When I think about history, I see how human curiosity shaped our world. From the invention of the wheel to the use of fire, from ancient tools to digital devices today, each discovery was driven by the human desire and to survive and improve life. Diba? For instance, during the Industrial Revolution, machines made work faster but also changed how people lived and worked. It reminds me that technology always brings both benefits and responsibilities. Now, we must ask, are we using technology to serve life or to control it? Now, let's move on to chapter 2, Intellectual Revolutions. Great thinkers came who changed how humans view the world. The first will be Copernican Revolution. The Copernican Revolution taught us that Earth isn't the center of the universe, but the sun was the center of the universe. While the Darwinian Revolution showed that life evolves. Simple as that. While the Freudian Revolution explored the human mind. For me, this revolution didn't just expand knowledge, they changed beliefs and make people question what it means to be human. So by that, it reminds me today's AI revolution, where machines are learning to think. Now the question is, can we keep our humanity as we advance in intelligence? For the chapter 3, which is Science, Technology, and Nation Building, it simply means that science and technology also play a big role in nation building, isn't it? In the Philippines, for example, innovations in agriculture, renewable energy, and communication help our country progress. Yes, but real nation building isn't only about modern buildings or fast Wi-Fi. It's about using science to improve the lives of people, especially those in needs. Every young innovator or student, researcher contributes to that vision. Now, here in chapter 4, the human flourishing in science and technology, this chapter made me think deeply. Human flourishing means living well, physically, mentally, and spiritually. Science should help us flourish, not harm us. For instance, technology like telemedicine or online learning improve access and convenience, but when used excessively, it can also isolate people. So we must find balance, using technology to enhance life, not to replace it. Alright, now for chapter 5, human flourishing as reflected in progress and development. For me, progress isn't just about economic growth or new gadgets. It's also about moral and social progress. We flourish when development includes compassion, equality, and care for the environment. Simply acts like practicing sustainable living, planting trees, or supporting fair education that showing real progress. And because when everyone grows together, That's when society truly develops. Now, the last but not the least, the chapter 6, which is the Nicomachean Ethics and Modern Concept, or Aristotle's concept of happiness and the good life. Finally, Aristotle taught that true happiness or eudaimonia comes from living in virtuous life. It's not found in wealth, yeah, or fame, but in purpose, wisdom, and doing good. For me, that means using what I learn not just to succeed, but to help others instead and make a positive difference. Science and technology are powerful, but they should always be guided by ethics and empathy.